Let's talk about the one thing that no amount of caching plugins can fix: physics. If your server is in New York and your customer is in Sydney, Australia, that data has to travel 10,000 miles through cables under the ocean. Even at the speed of light, that takes time. It is called latency. To a user in Sydney, your site feels sluggish, it feels heavy. And in 2026, a sluggish site is a site that doesn't make sales. I am going to show you how to beat the laws of physics and make your site instant for anyone, anywhere. Click the link in the description right now. That link takes you to Kinsta. I want you to look at their data centers map. This is the first step in solving the problem. Open that link, and let's talk about location strategy. Open the link. Okay, here is the mistake most people make. They sign up for Bluehost or GoDaddy, and they just accept whatever server they are given. Usually, that server is in a massive warehouse in Utah or Texas. That is fine if all your customers are in Texas. But if you sell to Europe, if you sell to Asia, you are punishing your customers with slow speeds. Kinsta lets you choose. When you create a site on Kinsta, you get a drop-down menu with 37 different locations: London, Tokyo, Mumbai, Sydney, São Paulo. You can put your website physically close to your customers. Just by moving your server from New York to London, you cut the load time for your British customers by 500 milliseconds instantly. But Kinsta goes one step further. Even if you pick the right location, the data still has to travel to get there. Most hosts use the public internet. It is like driving on local roads. Your data hits traffic jams. It gets routed through cheap, slow networks. Kinsta uses the Google Cloud Premium Tier network. This is Google's own private fiber optic network. It is like a private highway that circles the globe. When a user visits your site, their request doesn't bounce around the cheap public internet. It jumps onto Google's private highway at the nearest entry point, and it zooms directly to your server without hitting a single traffic light. This is why Kinsta is faster than other hosts even if they use the same data center. They are paying for the premium toll road, while everyone else is stuck in traffic. So, go back to that link in the description. Stop forcing your data to travel around the world on back roads. Look at your analytics. Find out where your customers are, and then put your server right next door to them. Click the link, pick your strategic location, and destroy latency. I'll see you in the next video.